In today's world, the classroom is everywhere. On campus, on the go, at home, or any space you learn best in. FAU Executive Education prides itself on this flexibility, and we promise quality educational experiences in whichever learning manner you choose. Whether you prefer to come into the classroom for in-person learning or commit to fully online, we promote a quality standard that includes dynamic discussions, countless networking opportunities, and skills you can apply immediately in your professional world. Our new Executive Education Complex was specially designed with a focus on the busy working student. The space utilizes cutting-edge technology and infrastructure to promote collaboration and access. Our faculty and staff are versed in both face-to-face and virtual learning, and are eager to welcome new talent like you into all classroom environments. As leaders on an international scale, we continuously challenge students to think strategically and approach solutions with new lenses. Just as we task our students to adapt to quickly changing priorities, we are setting the example by providing trending and in-demand class topics. Through this, our students and alumni thrive as career-long changemakers and empowered leaders.